We show that this is true. Okay, let's actually first graph the root of 1 plus x squared. Okay, so 1 plus x squared, just the 1 plus x squared is a parabola. From here it's going up like this. Okay, and root of that will just make the values a bit lower. So if it was 1 plus x squared, from negative 1 to 1, when you plug in 1, okay, you get 2. You end up at 2 here. But because of the root, now it'll be just root 2, so down here. Okay, so the parabola will look like this instead. Okay, so this is root 2. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay. Now from this picture, so this here represents the area under this curve. Right? So the area must be in between this and the maximum area of this. Okay, so this one at the bottom, okay, this area, if you interpret the area, it's got to be greater than or equal to, this is 2 times by 1, so it's 2. And the maximum is 2 times by, this is root 2, so this is 2 root 2. Okay. And since this area is equivalent to integration from 1 to 1, we can say this integral is between 2 and 2 root 2. Now, this is quite a bit of jump if you were to not to have this picture. So from this picture, we can actually do this. Well, we can say 1 plus x squared, right, was between 1. So the original black parabola was between 1 to 2. So if you square root that, okay, square root that, you're going to get 1 to root 2. And if you do the integral, and you do the integral, okay, you do the integral, okay, and do the integral from negative 1 to 1 on the constant function of 1. This gives you 2. And guess what? This will give you root 2 times by 2. Okay, so that's a little bit better, right? So this is the more step-by-step proof, okay, and this is sort of more of an intuitive proof just from looking at the picture.